how to create a landing page in GetResponse. Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to create a landing page using GetResponse to grow your business in just couple of minutes. So let's get started. So we have to sign into GetResponse for using it, and then have to enter some information about business. And after initial sign up, this is our dashboard, and we can create newsletter, a form, a landing page, and also an auto response. So for creating a landing page, click on landing page. And here we have two options, either to select a template or build it from scratch. So today I am going to select a template for creating a landing page, and I am going to choose this one for the purpose of this video, and I am naming it sign up form. And this will be our landing page, and this will be our thank you page. So next step, and here we are inside our editor, and we also have a bunch of editing tools here. So first of all, I am going to change this text, and now I'll change this from secret to success to my course, and I'll also replace this picture. Once I click on replace, then I have to add an image from here, and right now I don't have an image here, so I'll click on add file, and then we can just drag or drop it here, or we can also import from an URL. So I'm going to import it from URL. And then use. So our picture has been uploaded, and we can also resize it from here, but I am keeping it as it is. And I'll also change this text from here. And our landing page is ready, and now we are going to edit our thank you page. And now I don't want this text here, so I'm just simply going to delete it, and this one too, and also this one. And I will drag this one and drop it upwards. And I will also change this text, and I also don't need this button, so I will delete it, and I will change this button to view my website, and I will embed a link to my website to this button. And apart from these things, you can also add a text box, an image, a button, a recording, or a YouTube video, and also you can add tweet to this landing page. So now we are done designing this, so I am going to preview it. So this is the preview of my landing page, and this is the preview of thank you page. So now our landing page is ready to publish, so I am switching to next step. and we can also generate it in a mobile version, but I am skipping it for now. And this is our page title, and we can also add a description. And down over here, this is our URL setting, and you can connect your own domain if you have one. And these are our subscription setting, and this will be the setting of our thank you page. Like we want to use a default thank you page, or we can customize our own thank you page, or stay on a current page, or remove the thank you page. So I'm going to choose default thank you page, and now publish. So our landing page has been published, and this is the link to our landing page, which you can share with your subscriber or customers maybe. And if you click on manage your landing page, then you can always unpublish it, and can also view visit and contact and subscription rate of your landing page. So this is how easy it is to create a landing page using GetResponse. And you can also create an email marketing campaign and sales funnel in GetResponse. So optimize every tool available to you in GetResponse and grow your business. And also right now I am using it for a 30 days free trial. So if GetResponse has been useful to you, then you can also upgrade to a paid plan. Hope you guys find this helpful, and thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.